Hello students, today we discuss the next point in your unit anatomy, that is growth rings. Growth ring is also called as the annular ring. This is the picture of the growth ring which is mostly observed in the stem part of the plant. In that you have to see the two types of structures. One is the darker region and one is the blank region. So darker region is the springwood and blank region is the Ottman wood, and it's collectively known as the growth rings or annular rings. The next picture is about the longitudinal sections of the stem. So in the spring wood we have to see the larger size of the xylems as well as vessels. In Ottoman wood, which is also called as the late wood, in that region the small size of the xylems and vessels will be observed. So mostly these annular or growth rings are observed in the higher plants like angiosperm. Angiospermic plants, that means the flowering plants. So in flowering plants these annular rings or growth rings are observed. But it is only observed in the dicot plants. It will be absent in the monocot plants. What is dicot plants? Dicot plants are those plants which are having two cotyledons, reticulate venations and the taproot system. Monocot plant, that means it is having the parallel venations, then adventitious root and single cotyledons. So these annular rings is only observed in the dicot angiospermic plants. In each annular rings is having the two types. One is the springwood and second one is the Ottman wood. So what is happening in springwood, which is this springwood is also called as the early wood, because in the spring season the growth conditions will be favorable. So in that period the secondary growth observed in more number. So at this stage the more additions of the secondary xylem and larger vessels will be happens. So this springwood will be higher or growth will be more in the spring season. What is the period of spring season? That is in March, April and May. So in that period the springwood growth will be observed in the dicot plants. What is Ottman wood, which is also called as the late wood? So Ottman wood, in Ottman season the growth conditions are unfavorable. So on that period the secondary growth will be less in number, so they can add less amount of secondary xylem and comparatively smaller vessel. So due to this different season, that is spring and autumn, their conditions will be favorable and unfavorable. So the growth will be depend on the conditions. So in spring season growth will be more, so on that period the secondary xylems and larger vessels will be added in the plants, and in autumn season comparatively less amount of secondary xylems and smaller vessels will be added in the plants. So each growth or annular rings is composed by the springwood as well as autumn wood, and they can represent the 1 year age of the plants. So in each year the one there is spring and autumn season. So in spring season one ring is developed, then in autumn season next ring is developed. So they can represent the age of the plants. Then thus this will be helpful or useful for the determination of the age of the plant. So we can if we can see in the circles of the annular rings, on that basis we can judge the age of the plants. Also these annular rings will be helpful or used in the designs of the woods in the timber furniture. When in various timber or in furniture makings, they can use these annular rings, so they can make the attractive furnitures. So this is in case of the annular rings. In that, the most important that part is this annular ring is made up by the two parts, that is, or two types, that is spring wood and Ottoman wood. I hope all of you should understand this annular rings.